Dolf Berle, and I'm the CEO for Lindblad Expeditions, and I'm here in the Galápagos. One of the things we do at Lindblad Expeditions is we try to have an artist in residence on as many voyages as possible. Louis, tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Louis Henry Mitchell, and I'm the creative director of character design for Sesame Street. The company is called Sesame Workshop. It's a nonprofit organization based in New York City. And I'm so grateful that Lindblad Expeditions and my good friend, my brother, Dolf Berle, brought me out here to experience this.
We've been here now, what, 3 or 4 days, seen some amazing wildlife. Tell us a little bit about some of your impressions.
As a professional artist, a lot of times I have to use photographs to create illustrations and designs, but to see the animals in person, it's a whole nother dimension, a whole nother experience. So that even when I take my own pictures and I look at the pictures later, I see deeper into those photographs because I've experienced it. I've become intimate with nature. And this is the first time in my life. Yeah, we have Central Park in New York. Nothing like the Galapagos.
You do so much work with children. I think 4 million children a day see Sesame Street, and you're having a direct impact on them. Here you are in the Galapagos. What do you think we should be telling children about this place and what can be learned here?
Always have an imagination to think beyond where you live, to reach beyond where you live, to explore beyond where you live. And it doesn't have to be all the way in the Galapagos. Of course, it'd be wonderful if everybody on this planet can come here. I want kids to think, you know, there's a world way beyond where I live. And I can grow and stretch and become more who I am by reaching out that far.
Is there a species that you have found here that has really spoken to you more than any others?
It may be the iguana, because at one point in my life I actually took care of an iguana. It was in Brooklyn, New York. So I didn't really get to know that animal in a real way, but to see an iguana here in its own home, whole nother experience.
I know you've been doing some sketching while you're here. Tell us a little bit about your approach and your method to doing these drawings.
In order for me to really know these animals, when I start to draw them, even if it's using a photograph, I'm getting to know them on a different level. So there's an intimacy that I never really experienced before that just brings me to a whole other level with the drawing. I get deeper, and it also makes me draw faster. I was not expecting that. That was a real surprise. It's not that I'm rushing, but the excitement and the devotion that I feel toward these animals for allowing me to share space with them like that, it just enhanced my experience as an artist and as a human being.